In this video, let me show you how you can send money from Landbank to GCash. First, let's open the Landbank mobile banking app and log in. Tap Fund Transfer from the main menu, then tap it again. Next, tap Select Destination Account and choose Select Bank. In the search box, tap GCash and select it as a destination bank. Enter the GCash registered mobile number as the account number and fill in other details like the receiver's name, mobile number, and email. Tap Proceed, and then next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Select InstaPay channel and tap Transfer Now. Review the transaction details, check the box, and tap Confirm. Enter the OTP sent to your phone to complete the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message and take a screenshot for documentation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.